Got 308 suppressed 175 grain bullet. I'll target 100 yards out here, a little orange dot. I'll fire that. Then I have somebody firing 308, same weight bullet, same load, without a suppressor afterwards. You can tell the difference. You'll be able to hear the bullet impact on the steel plate. That's suppressed. This is unsuppressed. Difference? Big difference. One more time. Suppressed. Unsuppressed. And my steel target is down. There's a weapon. Suppressed, and I'm going to walk down to the target. Check that out. It's all the way down there. Alright, here we go. Alright, 100 yards away, which is kind of close. Here's the target. This is the steel plate that was behind it. Alright, as you can see, as I get down here a little closer and hold this up behind this white paper, you have 4 holes perfectly through it. And it's only some diamond plate, but yeah, I wouldn't want to be standing behind it, that's for sure. So, but yeah, figured let you know, it's kind of a little light out and a little getting dark, so kind of didn't want to shoot all the way down to 300 yards, but no problem doing it though. It's a little shaky, but sorry about that.